Okay. Just a quick review of my trade in the morning. I was looking at NBEV, and what they did is they expanded their product. I think it was 300 stores around the nation, if I'm not mistaken. It was up about 30% pre-market, and it was making higher lows, and I bought into this little spike. So I got faked out. I bought into this breakout at 340. I was in at 340. Put my limit at 342, 343, but I got executed at 340. It went up all the way to 363, and it just came down, back down. I'm just doing a little test here. But yeah, I went in with 60 shares. I lost about $14. It came just faked out. But this is what I thought might happen. So I was in the wrong one. This is about 34%. It went up, and it broke out. One pullback, up. Two pullback. Three, and then you have this third pullback. But I will be selling into this. So you have one pullback, second pullback. Okay, so I'll be selling into this 245 if I would have been in at 150 something, 154, 155. So what I did wrong here. Okay. First of all, this is a low float, and NBEV is not a low float. So that was my first mistake. RMGN is earning winner, so that's why it's reacting to this, which is a better catalyst than expanding product. So that's a better reaction. Volume 5.7, NBAEV only 2.3 open. So this is what was this was for sure the best option. It was the reaction I was looking for. It has pullback, second pullback, third pullback, and that's it. Normally it has only 3 pullbacks, but we'll see what happens. This will be a potential trade in the afternoon. We might do a midday perk. It's completely fine. I'll just wait and see what happens. But it happens. I was wrong. Cut losses. Dropped way too fast. So I had to cut losses somewhere in this area. But that's fine. Just a small loss. This is just beautiful. But anyways, it happens. It's not 100% of the time. Just got losses quickly and move on to the next trade and learn from mistakes. Thank you.